first time experience of camera facing?
Oh my god, the first time I faced the camera I was very, very nervous. But the first shot was quite okay.
Your passion in life?
Um, my passion in life is something which is not yet fulfilled, is to travel the entire world.
Okay, quickly tell me 3 wishes.
First one would be that uh, I should, my first wish would be that I should see, the whole world and stay at different places, before I turn 40. My second wish, now my wishes are all very insane, but still, my second wish would be to probably have an opportunity to, visit outer space, like Sunita Williams. She went and visited the moon. It's not impossible, but it's just that it's very difficult. So that's why it's my wish. And the third wish would be a magic wand, so that all these wishes can come true without too much difficulty. The only way it can, happen is through a magic wand.
Your dream role?
My dream role would be uh, one of the two women's role in Devdas. In a film like Devdas, the recent Devdas, with the grandeur and everything.
What would you like to eat? Your favorite dish?
I love food. Very difficult to play favorites, but I think my all-time favorite is the Bengali fish curry.
And a drink that goes along?
A drink? What? It's very heavy, so you need to have water around to gulp it down. So I would say the only drink that I normally take when I'm having fish curry and rice is water. But you can team it up with iced tea or something. That's like an Indo-Western combination.
Now we'll talk about the look, the shirt, the belt, the jeans and footwear, everything. First of all, tell me, what did you think of, what kind of look is this and how do you get to that?
This is, I didn't really think anything before wearing this. It's just that it's a new shirt and I wanted to wear it. And it's a little formalish shirt and I didn't know where else to wear it, and I just thought in an interview this kind of a color would really come out well, because these are the kind of colors which look better on screen than in person. So I was saving it for like a nice interview, so I thought of this shirt. Now denims are the most comfortable to move around, and because it's a sit down interview I thought that if I team it up with denims it will help me move around and everything. And my shoes are, my footwear is this chappal kind of a thing, which is again only out of comfort, nothing else. All I've thought about is my makeup and my hair, which I have really paid a lot of attention to detail, so you can see. A watch, just to keep track of time and I don't go overboard talking in this interview. That's about it.
How did you get that hair?
This is very simple. I just applied some products and I scrunched it, and now that my hair is short, it's so much more easier to style it, so I keep playing around with it nowadays.